Welcome to a day in a life, final day as a YAPPI student 2025 cohort 2 amazing journey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pictures. So as I walked through familiar doors one last time, memories floated in. I got to my seat, I sat down, I took a deep breath, and I remembered how everything started from day one. I started in a YAPPI class, which was supposed to be like the introduction to Blender, animation for beginners, and now I am in Blender VFX class and I'm going to be graduating. So, yeah, back to school.
Each day you help me find my voice. In every challenge, I made my choice. I grew in ways I couldn't see. YAPPI, you're a part of me.
It feels so amazing, and I'm here to share my journey as always. I remembered my first day at YAPPI. I remember the first time we allocated seats. So I remember starting from a YAPPI class, which was supposed to be the beginner class for people that did not know how to animate or model or rig, or none of that. So we're advised to go to a YAPPI class. That's like the kindergarten of YAPPI. So from that to move to specifications, what people wanted to study. I chose VFX because I felt like as a video editor and as a content creator, it would be nice to get some special skills to add to my videos. And look at me now, I am saying goodbye to YAPPI. I'm very grateful for all the experience, every lesson learned. I will not forget it in a hurry. Thank you so much to the Mastercard Foundation in partnership with DOZIE. You guys have impacted so many lives, and my prayer is that the company grows and a lot of people are impacted and happy, and Nigeria becomes that amazing country where talents are not limited. So thank you guys from the depth of my heart. I'm very grateful. We are getting ready for our demo day. I'll talk more about that because that is very, very special. A lot of people are going to become millionaires on demo day. However, let me just put that on hold. Let us continue with this particular experience that I'm here to share with you guys. Okay, it felt really nice to see everything I have created with Blender. You guys can see my fire here. I created some interesting things, and I'm very grateful to the amazing teachers. I love my new friends that I've gotten from YAPPI, new friends, some colleagues, some business partners, you never know. Different YAPPI events, both physical and online, just mentorship courses to guide us through everything we have learned and meet up with potential business partners. So I've also learned how to pitch from one of the amazing minds in this particular pitching industry, if you permit me to use that word, Mrs. Stella Fubara. It was an amazing time to listen to her because we had an event out there in York. So listening to her also gave me that insight on how to do better with what I think I already know. So thank you so much, ma'am.
You want your audience to see that this is a team effort and you all have equal strength and bring equal capacity and abilities to it.
Every YAPPI event is a moment to remember. I think about the growth, the friendship, everything I have gained from being in this association. Now looking back, it feels like every email, every chat, every break time where I get to meet with new friends is something I would not forget. And this particular day that I'm filming this video as my last day in YAPPI felt very different because the break time was more like a time to connect with people, get phone numbers of people that you think you might build up a relationship with. However, all of them are precious to me. And of course, YAPPI has a way of giving us food. It's so cute. You come to class, you get rice and meat, you get bottled water. Come on now, that's so sweet. And to top it off, YAPPI gave us a cowrie card. For those that don't know what cowrie card is, if you use BRT here in Lagos, Nigeria, you'll be very familiar with this BRT card. This particular card was given to us on one of the days that I went for the seminar, the one that Madam Stella Fubara spoke to students about pitching. If you're actually in that event, how amazing and kind of YAPPI to be able to provide transportation and also feed students that came from far and near. Wow, as a class captain of a YAPPI class, cohort 2 2025, at YAPPI, it felt so good to be able to collaborate with amazing people. In fact, my day unfolded with warm hugs and goodbyes and heartfelt messages and reconnection during break time with people that were in the same class I have move to other classes. Like some people went for modeling, some people went for VFX, like people went for different aspects of Blender that they would want to learn. So it felt like a reunion of everybody coming together to take pictures and, you know, kiss goodbye one last time. Say what you class. We know that we're all going to meet at the demo day. I mentioned that earlier. I'm going to talk about that in details as we progress in this video. I packed not just my things, but pieces of experiences and lessons I have learned that I will keep for the rest of my life, basically forever. Living is not easy, however, it is not goodbye from YAPPI. I have gained amazing friendships, connections, partners that I know we're going to do great things together. Thank you so much to YAPPI for being more than an institution to all of us. Thank you so much for making YAPPI a safe space for beginners to learn and grow. Thank you for the new chapter that all of us are definitely on, because we know that we are not going back the same way we came. Thank you so much for everything you have done, and I say this with so much pride and joy. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I am a content creator, a spoken word poet, and a movie audio editor. I started this video by giving gratitude to YAPPI because it's an amazing platform for those that don't know how to get into YAPPI. I have done a video of how you can register. I'm going to link that above the screen. I've created lots and lots of videos here on my platform. I'll drop some links below. Anyone that is of interest to you, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. That way it helps this growing community. You don't know the particular content I'm going to put up. I like to say I don't post any particular kind of niche. I feel like I'm the kind of content creator that talk about things that need to be said, and I put out information that I feel of value. So please subscribe. Whenever any video that's of interest to you pops up, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. This channel is absolutely nothing without you. Everybody that has supported my journey so far, I am indeed very grateful to you. I love you, I see you, I really appreciate you. Friends, family, colleagues, partners, you guys have been amazing. And for potential clients, I would like to say welcome to my world. I have amazing friends that can do your jobs together, so do not be afraid. If you have any animation job, VFX job, video editing job, you can reach out to me. My contact will be below this particular video. I'm looking forward to demo day. What is demo day? I'm going to put the link below this particular video for those that will be interested. So demo day, basically just register it in your mind that it is when YAPPI students win big money, not small money, millions. Okay, so I'll put that up for anybody that is interested. So after graduating from YAPPI, you're going to present your projects, basically to help different clients work on their projects. You get what I mean? So by the grace of God, whenever we'll be having our demo day, I'll be able to make my own video, talk about my own experience, and share with you guys. Last but not the least, today that I'm filming this video is YAPPI Fusion 2.0. I'm dressed for the occasion. I'm excited. The last time my group members were told to work on a project for clients, and hopefully we get our money because like I said, YAPPI is not just about talking animation or teaching people how to use what will not benefit them. They create the opportunity. They're like that bridge that connects students to employers, and it keeps going and it keeps getting better. So this particular video you are watching is not going to be the last YAPPI video you see on my channel. Whenever anything interesting pops up, I'm going to let you guys know here on my platform. Do not forget to subscribe. So please subscribe if you like what you see. Do not forget to turn on post notification. That way when I post another video, you get notified instantly. My name remains Glory Rex, and I hope this video has been amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful. I love you. Adios.
I'm ready for you. Thank you.
Critical design and local innovation.
So tall, every moment at YAPPI, help me give my all. Lessons, laughter, tears we shared. Build me stronger, show you care. Thank you, YAPPI, for the light. I'll carry your life to every fight. The road ahead may be unknown.
Future's ours, believe, be free, and always know whatever you do, Glory Rex loves you. See you soon.